Astronomers have found a third ancient collision buried in the Milky Way's history, one that happened 12.3 billion years ago, well before our galaxy was anything like the spiral we live in today. Galaxies like ours are thought to grow over billions of years by swallowing smaller ones, dwarf galaxies that get pulled in and torn apart, their stars absorbed into the bigger structure. We already knew about one such merger. This research, led by David Massari and published in Nature Astronomy, has found a second, and it's older than anything spotted before. The team studied 39 globular clusters, dense ancient balls of stars that orbit the Milky Way and act like time capsules, holding onto their original stars for billions of years. Using Hubble Space Telescope data and heavy statistical modelling, they worked out precise ages and chemical compositions for each cluster, then sorted them by a technique called age metallicity sequencing, essentially plotting how old a cluster is against how much heavy element metal its stars contain. Clusters that formed together tend to sit together on that plot too. Two waves were already on the books. One traces the proto-galaxy itself, the messy beginnings of the Milky Way. The other is the well-known Geosausage-Enceladus merger, a collision with a dwarf galaxy about 10.5 billion years ago that's credited with puffing up much of the galaxy's inner halo. This new analysis found a third wave, 1.8 billion years earlier again, from a system the teams named low-energy Kraken Heracles. It's estimated to have had roughly the same stellar mass as the Enceladus dwarf, and like that later merger, it dumped most of its stars into the Milky Way's deepest, most central regions, exactly the part of the galaxy that's hardest to reconstruct from today's observations. The researchers say even older, smaller, or less well-preserved mergers may still be hiding in the data, too faint or too thoroughly mixed in to spot yet. Untangling them will need precise ages of a lot more stars in the galaxy's crowded core, but for now, the Milky Way's family tree has one more branch than we thought.